Yeah, but I have a terrible experience with the police force, especially the soldier. The other night, shot with a firing. I was at my mother's house and I said, I'm not going around. Frightening in the morning, I go around, I see my door kick off, and the people next door said, them I tell the soldiers, them say, at the bar I live next door. Them not care, them kick off my door, them could take out everything out of my house, TV, everything that out of stay open. And that leave me traumatized, come and I don't know what to do. You can't afford to go to the police force for any assistance. Them always have to take a set pan weed down here. It can't happen like that all the time. We need to make a change. Come and say we don't have no right, we can't speak. Them come and beat you up and want to take you out of your house. Unacceptable. Can't really tell you I don't know the problem. I just see them come and fire them shot and all people out of them house and all of that.
I know just this one there from yesterday we actually get a protest. You see because Monday night police them coming and them beat up all the people. Fire a whole heap of shot in the place and beat up a whole heap of youth innocently. Carry youth go up to Denham Town and left them knowing say look how conflict are going with Garden and Denham Town. You see, and them take out the youth them out and carry them up there and left them for walk come back. You could lose them life. Them think done the police thing. Police them are more and the soldiers are more like a gangster, even more than a gangster them. I thought them were here for to protect people.